Hello everyone, Danny here with QuestionPro. Today let's talk about something that's really important in market research, focus groups. If you're developing a new product, service, or concept and need some real feedback, focus groups are a powerful tool. If you've never heard of the term before, you're probably wondering, what is a focus group? It's a small, diverse group of people that represent your target market. You bring them together either in person or virtually and have a moderated discussion to gather their opinions, feelings, and reactions to your idea. Instead of just relying on surveys and data, focus groups give you in-depth insights into what people are actually thinking. You can observe body language, tone, and how group dynamics influence opinions. It's not just about what they say, but how they say it. The qualitative feedback can reveal underlying motives, preferences, and potential issues that you might have not otherwise caught. Focus groups are particularly useful in the early stages of development. They help you identify strengths and weaknesses and areas of improvement before you invest too much time or money. Plus, you can explore different angles by asking follow-up questions, diving deeper into specific topics, and even testing out new ideas right then and there. So, if you're looking to refine your offerings with real-world insights, a focus group might just be the key to getting it right. If you guys found this video particularly helpful, I would appreciate a like and a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one.